welcome to my channel. Guys, I'm 150 subscribers. Thank you so much to everyone that has subscribed. I've just literally made this channel to help ourselves and learn from each other. But if you've subscribed, thank you. Honestly, it might not seem like a lot, like 150, but I am so happy and I'm so glad that I've got this much so far. But if you're watching and you're new to my channel, please click that subscribe button and get me to 1k, journey to 1k, okay? In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the soft locks, and it will be given knotless laid on flat soft locks. She had, as you can see, she has color, and I didn't want the color to be showing. I didn't want no color inside. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to mask or hide color when it comes to locks. I know you can do it for braids, but I'm just going to show you how I done it for these locks because there was no color inside when I was done. As always, we're going to section her hair out and then put her hair in mini braids like so. So this client is actually from America. It was interesting getting to know her and just talking about the different cultures in America and in UK. The thing that shocked me was how much Americans pay for internet. Apparently you lot pay a lot for your internet bills, and here in UK is quite affordable, so you can get internet anywhere from £10 to like £30, which is like $8 to like $20, but apparently in America it's quite expensive, so that was weird. At this point, we were almost halfway through the braids and hunger striked and we wanted to eat. So I had some spicy pot noodles, and then I asked her, like, can you handle the spice? She said, yeah, I can handle spice. I said, okay, cool. We'll see about that. Then I gave it to her, and like, this is her reaction.
Oh, right, my lip. That's pretty good though.
It's nice, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. I thought it could. I'm so used to eating hot stuff. It was nice and hot. I need a warning label. Really.
If you haven't tried these Korean pot noodles, then what are you actually doing with your life? It's spicy, but it tastes really nice. And yeah, if you can handle spice, great. If you can't handle spice, I would not advise you to. At this point, I had finished putting her hair into mini braids. This part actually took long because I think I'd done small size for this. I usually do medium size for soft locks, but I decided to do small for her hair. She's got a lot of hair. Her hair is very thick, and if your client has thick hair, you don't want to do mini braids so the base isn't too bulky. So that's why I decided to do small. I'd like to believe this is my method that I've come up with because I haven't seen anyone actually do it yet. What I do is I split the locks open before I even start. I unwrap it a bit, just halfway, not even halfway, just a little bit. And then I insert the African cube bulk, a little piece into it. And then I crochet that into the hair, just the first part. So there will be a part of the African cube bulk hanging. I wrap one part of it around the braid. And then when the hair finishes, I'll add more of the African cube bulk. And then finish off with the last piece that I inserted in. It makes sense when you watch the video, but this is how I do to get that flat look. With this method, you're progressively adding hair. You're not adding too much at the start, so it reduces the chances of the hair being bulky. The best way to wrap the coloured bit of her hair is to wrap with more kinky bulk. So if you see any colour, just take a little piece of the kinky bulk hair and wrap it to hide the colour. And as you can see, because I opened up the soft locks at the start, I'm just going to hide the colour in the locks as I'm wrapping. So it makes it easier and it just makes the work 100 times better. So you hide the locks in the open part of the lock and you keep on wrapping. And that's it. I'll leave you guys to watch the rest of the video and see how I done it. I've explained it. I don't think I did a very good job, but hopefully in the next few clips, it will make sense to you. if you got to this part of the video, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to leave the hair details down in the description box. It may not be right away or straight away. I'll definitely add it later. I think you can get it on Amazon, so I'll put a link there so for you to get it on Amazon. But guys, please subscribe to my channel and also like, because that will show me and YouTube that you're enjoying this content. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.
Get with her. Get with her.